Okay, I've been having issues with my Savage 650. It's a 97. Came home and it went. It kind of stalled as I was parking. We ran out of gas earlier, but tried to start it and it wouldn't start again. And it's the next day, same deal. I've kind of run through everything. Just gonna give it some time to sit. I'm just gonna kind of run through it here. So, set to fuel. I don't know if that's really focusing. There you go. I just adjusted this line a couple days ago because it's super long. The choke's all the way in, and that's about it. It's got full fuel tank, so I'll turn it on. Just want to record the sound. Set to on. Clutch is in, and it's set to neutral. So I'll try it again. I'll just try pulling the choke out. I never have to, that's the weird thing. And it did stall me yesterday where it popped out. So I've had that happen weird a couple times with it just popping out when it stalls. So no real difference.